Okay, so we've got our first question, which is 7 plus 6. Now, we're not going to be using tens and ones today. We're going to be simply writing the numbers because we've done them in class where we've been using concrete resources. We've been using, in the last lesson, we were using jottings. So now we're going to have a look at just using numbers. So look at the values of each number. How many tens and how many ones? So we've got 7 ones and 6 ones. So we've got them 6 and 7. Don't need to partition because we've only got ones. Add the ones first. Now, that's going to be more than 10. So remember, if ones make more than 10, make 10 and then add the rest. So we've got 6 there. 6 add 4 makes 10, so I'm going to get rid of the 7. I'm going to take 4 from it. And I know that 7 is 4 add 3. So I've put the 3 because they're my ones that have been left over. 6 add 4 makes 10. My answer, 1 10, 3 ones, 13. Next up we have 15 add 8. So we've looked at the values. We've got 1 10 and 5 ones. And 8 ones here. So then when we do this, we add the ones first. So we've got 1 10, 5 ones and 8 ones. So I want to make 10. So we've got 5 ones there. 5 to 5 makes 10. So I'm going to take 5 from this 8. So I'll get rid of the 8. Got 5 up there now. And I've got 3 left over because 5 and 3 makes 8. So then I've got 10 add 10 is 2 10s, 2 10s and 3 1s, 23. Next question, we have 25 at 16. Values of each number. So in 25 I've got 5 ones and 2 10s. In 16 I've got 6 ones and 1 10. So now we're adding the ones first. That's going to make more than 10. So I've got 5 ones there. 5 and 5 makes 10, so I'm going to take 5 from the number 6. And then I've got 1 left over. So then I've got 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s. 4 10s and 1 1, 41.